Welcome everyone to another brand new series of events. Here we are, folks, the conclusion of the Making Waves Navigators of Hong Kong Cinema 2024 Montreal, with the Q&A with Hong Kong actors Taibo and Kukuso. If you enjoyed this video, punch that like button. I'm on the road to 100,000 subscribers, so subscribe for more content, leave a comment, and share it with your warriors. Thank you and take care.
All right, we'll start off since we're all start like asking each of you how did you first get involved with this particular film, being this a first-time director as well.
想問下你咧，因為呢個都係第一次做導演嘅，想即係從佢嘅工作方面。
呢部戲咧係好少嘅成本完成嘅，因為呢個周導演咧，佢係一個廣告導演嚟嘅，但係佢咧有一個心願就係佢想拍一部長篇嘅戲嘅，就嚟揾到我，咁我睇咗個劇本，我話好啦，我即管試下啦，佢又好滿意，又滿足到佢自己本身嘅條件。
So the director, he was just a commercial director and used a very small budget to make this movie, which came to me and talked about this project, and I was convinced.
當初認識到周導演咧，就係因為我哋以前就曾經合作過一次，就拍咗一個廣告嘅，咁就認識咗佢啦。跟住之後就佢就邀請我去 casting， 咁最後就成功咗，咁就拍咗呢個 Alice。
The reason why I knew the director because we did a commercial together, and then he asked me to do the casting, and we clicked, and hence.
You guys have a great dynamic in this film. Did you have like rehearsal a lot? Did you give like your own input into the script?
Translate.
Sorry, I was still in the movie. 即係講咧，你兩個咧之間嗰個 chemistry 咧，即係幾好啦。即係可以講下你之間嗰個即係表現嗰個方面。
通常咧越簡單嘅戲咧，你要完成佢咧，真係要喺嗰個劇本同你一齊演戲個對手，大家能夠有一個心理上嘅溝通，你就會相信呢個劇中人。
So usually, you need to believe each other in the character, and then you can convince yourself and also the audience.
咁其實好神奇嘅地方咧，就係拍呢部戲之前咧，我同太保哥哥咧係冇排過戲嘅，亦都係唯獨都冇，即係一齊高本劇本都冇，因為佢個時間方面咧比較緊急，即係嗰個期度就即係可能就到 一啲幕後嘅工作人員啦，跟住又要就埋太保哥哥啦，跟住嗰個日期上就未必能夠做到好充足嘅準備啊。不過咧，去到現場嘅時候咧，因為太保哥哥咧實在太有經驗，即係佢就可以lead晒成個團隊去好行雲流水咁樣進行成個拍攝，就係咁，所以就有呢個嘅成果。
Actually, we didn't have any rehearsal, and we didn't even read the script play together. But because Taibao was too experienced, and so he could lead the whole crew, the production team, and so we did a very smooth shooting.
This is your first lead ever? What did you decide to do this particular film?
Because 我自己嘅背景嚟講咧，因為我以前就係做幕後嘅工作人員嘅，咁就做過美術啦，跟住都跟過製作方面嘅。咁之後就覺得可能做下幕前都幾好玩喎，跟住又咁啱得咁巧有其他人邀請我，咁就開始做咗幕前嘅工作。
I used to do some behind-the-scene work, including arts, production, and so then I had this chance. So I found it very interesting to try acting. So I did it.
You build an incredible intimacy throughout the film. But in the last few minutes, you're actually not on screen together. I was wondering how you both lived that together because you're on screen so much, but the movie ends with you apart. How was that for you as an actor in those stories?
其實咧，佢導演有另外一個版本嘅，就唔係喺個電視裏邊話呢個人中咗槍。其實我已經中咗槍咧，有一場戲咧，我係翻咗我嘅賓館嗰度，我中咗槍嘅。咁中槍嗰陣時，我就攞住張相片，抱住細路仔嗰陣時，就喺嗰度。咁啊，導演就冇取到呢個 ending 嘅戲咧，佢就用一個電視嘅就放咗電視。咁所以我亦都有少少遺憾啦，因為呢件事係為個老豆係為咗個女嘅一樣嘢，可能導演有佢嘅點解。
咁對我嚟講咧，因為我係最後一刻先知道我嘅親生爸爸原來就係太保哥哥，咁即係所以我嘅反應同埋對呢一個關係嘅理解就係點樣都係會來自佢最後寫俾我嗰封信嗰度。嗰封信係即係講下嗰封信啦，嗰封信入邊嘅內容咧係真係我哋嘅編劇去寫嘅。咁佢就係寫翻太保哥哥喺戲入面角色，然後真係想講俾呢個女嘅心底話出嚟，所以我諗可能正常其他人睇到都會覺得係好感動嘅一封信嚟。
So actually, there was another version. In the alternative ending, instead of just saying this guy was killed on TV, and he was actually was shot. You would see he was shot, and he was holding a photo, and on that photo it was him, younger him, and holding his daughter. And also when she read the letter, and that the content of the letter was actually written by the screenwriter, and the content was so touching, and she believed whoever was reading that letter would be also moved.
Did Taibo give you advice about acting, the movie industry? If so, what is the best advice he gave you for your career?
佢本身咧就有演戲嘅細胞啦。其實對於一個演員嚟講咧，我就有時拍戲嗰陣時會提點下啲好少嘅嘢，但係呢啲好少嘅嘢咧，就係可能就係我哋喺演繹最重要嘅一樣嘢，就係你哋嘅眼神啦，你嘅表情啊，你嘅態度啊，你嘅 moment 啊，你個當時嗰個影子好緊要嘅。咁佢就非常聰明嘅，而且佢係一個 movie face 佢以後將會好好嘅成績。
So she's very smart herself. But from my experience, I try to give a little bit here and there, and from like eyesight and impressions and a little bit acting, and but I think with her own effort and with her own smartness, she will get a great success in the future.
Thank you. 太保哥哥當中俾咗一個意見，我覺得係好受用嘅。點解咧？因為咧，我哋都係會係一個會唔記得，突然間唔記得對白嘅人。咁咧佢就教我唔記得唔緊要喎，唔使緊張喎，咁咪諗下先咯。跟住就話你諗下嗰3至5秒，咁咪做下戲先咯個樣，跟住咁咪諗緊，記得啦，跟住就講咯。Thank you.
One trick Taro ever taught me is because we sometimes we all have a blank. So when that happens, so you just keep acting, and after 3-5 seconds, you can just carry on and do your thing.
One last question. Yeah.
You two have like a very strong, it seems like a natural chemistry. After the film and after all said and done, does Michael look at her as like a potential father, kind of like, he still feels that emotion that it will carry on throughout, and after the movie does, I think I don't feel my daughter or whatever. You can't just cut that out after this movie, like a feeling that you feel, you know?
我咧其實拍咗好多嘅電影，做我個女、做我個仔嘅咧，都好出名嘅。佢哋都好尊重我嘅，因為我喺個行業太耐啦。至於我覺得每一個 方面能夠得到你哋嘅支持咁多咧對我哋香港電影多鼓勵咁將會好多戲。
另外我想補充埋，即係喺現實生活上咧，太保哥哥都好照顧我嘅，因為咧嚟到加拿大之後咧，頭3日咧我都係冇自己俾過錢食飯，都係太保哥哥請我。
So over my 50 years movie career, I had so many famous sons and daughters. They are very famous actors and actresses. They respect me a lot. So thank them for that. And also thank you guys very much to continue support Hong Kong cinema and in North America. And a few words from Cuckoo, and she said since she came to Canada this time, and she never paid anything for eating, so all paid by her dad.
Okay, I think we really if anybody wants to take pictures with our main cast, please come out. We got the